Hello everybody, this is my oscilloscope. This is an Eico model 425. This is from the 50s somehow. This unit must have like 70 years. So I found in a junkyard. So and I'm trying to rebuild the whole unit. So first I'm gonna disassemble this to show you what is inside, and I guess we will need to change the capacitors. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, this is the unit outside the case. So the first thing you need to make sure of is to discharge the capacitors inside, because those capacitors like this are high voltage. Currently this CRT uses around 1300 volts, so you have to be very careful. So then I'm gonna show you the unit. Those vacuum tubes are the rectifiers. The rectifiers for the transformer. Now here in the front you have those vacuum tubes. The blacks are like the preamps, and those ones are the amplifiers. And this can inside is an all capacitors as well. It needs to be replaced. So in here I have almost all the capacitors. I'm still missing some of them, but almost the new replacements are here. Going back a little bit to the bottom of the oscilloscope, I think this is a much better picture of it. You can see all those paper capacitors. All those, they must go. And that's what I'm gonna do right now, just to replace all them. And after that, we will try to see if it came back to life. Okay, we are back. I have here the unit assembled. I replaced almost all the capacitors. There are still some of them that I need to replace. But at this point, we are going to make a test. So let's see if it came back to life. Okay, at least let's give it some time to see if the vacuum tubes get warm. Nothing there. Nothing. Okay, it is very dead. So at this point I'm gonna turn off. Oh, okay, hold on, did you see that? Okay, let's try to focus. See the point there? Okay, it is coming back to life. Oh, that's amazing. See? Okay, the line is too okay. Vertical line. Okay, here. Okay, this came back to life. We are gonna make a different test. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna connect this signal generator to the oscilloscope to see the signal. So let me turn on this one also. And I don't have the original plugs, but I need to work with whatever I have. Let give some time so it gets warmer. It gets warm. The vacuum tubes inside those equipment need to be warm. So I'm connecting now, and what you can see now is the signal. Let me change the channel. And okay, so yeah, I think I have to. Okay, that's the signal. This is the vertical, or so I can move the signal vertical or horizontal with this one here. So as you see, this is working very good. But something that I didn't do was I didn't replace any of those capacitors in this selector. So I want you to see what happened when I select the 15 cycles. If I select the 15 cycles, the signal blinks. And what it means is that the capacitor in this channel is bad. So I need to replace that one. So I'm gonna go back to the other 75 cycles, and you can see that the signal doesn't blink at all. So all those capacitors inside these selectors are the originals. So I have here the new replacement. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna replace these capacitors here, and we are gonna repeat the same test, and you are gonna see how this channel behaves now. Okay, so let me turn off, sorry, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, I just removed the case, and what you can see here is the bad capacitor. I need to replace that one with this new one. So I'm gonna proceed with the replacement, and then we are gonna repeat the same test. Okay, the capacitor has been replaced. This is the old one. So now I'm gonna put the cover back again, and let's do the test. Okay, we are back. Let me turn this on. And we are gonna make the same test. I'm gonna put on the 75 cycles first. Let me connect the signal. Okay, the signal is there. Okay, let me go to the 15. Okay, it is still blinking. Okay, okay, now we are in the 15 cycles, and the signal doesn't blink as it was before. Okay, let me change to the 75. It doesn't blink too, but I need to change, I guess, the gain. Okay, let me go back to the 15. Okay, we are at the lowest, and oh, I got disconnected, sorry. Give me a second. Okay, the signal is back again. So now our signal is stable. So the next step on this reconditioning is gonna be, obviously, first to finish changing all those capacitors, and then I'm gonna check the resistors And also I'm gonna check the vacuum tubes. So let me take the camera for a second. Okay, I'm taking the camera now. This one here is my cameraman. So thank you very much for the great job holding the camera. Okay, so we're gonna finish the video here. So thanks for watching and see you next time.